The Sportsman's Table is brought to you by the South Carolina Department of Agriculture. Whether you live in South Carolina or out of state, be sure to buy South Carolina grown meats, vegetables, and fruits. Make sure your food is South Carolina certified. It's a matter of taste.
Folks, welcome to the City Center Market. We're right outside of Florence here, and I tell you what, with me today is Chef Allan Cooke with Rebel Pie Pizza Outfit. I'm telling you, I call it an outfit because this guy, he brings everything out of that restaurant to include the oven. Allan, thank you so much.
Appreciate you having us.
I tell you what, Chef Allan Cooke, what do you got for me today?
We're doing this time what we call our Chicken Wing Supreme Pizza. Every month we do a Pie of the Month, which is something special, off menu. And every September we do, to ring in football season, we do Chicken Wing Supreme. It's kind of like, tastes like a chicken wing on a pizza. It's got some South Carolina Reaper sauce on it, so bring in the heat. It's got oven roasted chicken, bacon, fresh mozzarella, shredded cheddar, and then a little drizzle of ranch. And when it comes out, it's crispy and tastes like a chicken wing on a pizza.
Oh my goodness. Well, we're going to get to this oven here in a minute too, because that thing is the key and success of these pizzas. Look at that. Now this is the Reaper sauce?
This is the Reaper sauce.
Ooh, man,
you know, the Carolina Reaper, one time it was the hottest pepper in the world. It's been outdone by a couple others now, but it was actually developed here in South Carolina.
Oh my goodness.
So we got, you know, more local product goodness here. A little dabble of parm on there.
Oh yeah, gotta have Parmesan.
Get our fresh whole milk mozzarella. We don't use any of that pre-shredded dry cheese.
Oh no, gotta be fresh. You know, now I will tell you, at the restaurant, you guys, how many different kinds of pizzas do you guys cook up?
Oh God, we've probably got 24 that are like specified on the menu.
Right.
But the actual choices are probably unlimited, because we have, you know, so many different ingredients that you can do a build your own. We got some fresh cooked crispy bacon here.
Oh,
bacon makes everything better, right?
It does.
We got some. Put our roasted chickens. Got a little bit of olive oil seasoning on there.
Oh yeah. And you know that always makes chicken taste better. Actually, that puts a little moisture in it, especially when it's white meat. Ooh, look at that.
Typically, cheddar's not a normal pizza cheese, but it really goes good with chicken wing supreme. Just a little, you know, brown crispiness to it and everything.
Wow. Man, I could see folks coming by and getting one of those Saturdays and Sundays. We'll
do a little ranch drizzle on it.
Oh my goodness.
This is, we make our ranch in-house and everything, so a lot of people, it's not my recommendation because it's not very authentic Neapolitan, but you know, you got that one crowd that likes to dip their crust in the ranch.
Look, tailgating ain't really that, you know, Neapolitan.
We're ready for the oven, and we're gonna pray this thing works out here good, because we're doing it upside down on a pizza pan.
There you go.
Humidity is about 400% right now. So this dough is so soft.
Oh yeah, but that's what makes it the best. Look at that. Ah, magic. Oh man. Okay, now this
90 seconds
that's it. 90-second wonder right there. You know, Nicolas Cage and Gone in 60 Seconds. He ain't got nothing to this. I'm telling you. Gone in 90 seconds. Here we go. Rebel pie. Ooh, Allan.
There you go. So you get a little.
Oh my goodness.
Little leopard spotting on the crust there. A little char on that pizza and the ranch.
Gosh.
Man.
Listen, you are a magic man.
That thing is good.
I'm telling you, Cal Norton Jr. has nothing on you, man. But don't you call me Ricky Bobby now, okay?
Shake and bake.
Shake and bake. There you go. Woo. Wow. Rebel pie. Listen, my friend, that is just awesome. I can't tell you enough. Thank you so much for being a guest. We appreciate it. And folks, listen, you'd like to get more great recipes and experience food like, well, just like you saw today, stop on by downtown Florence. Go buy Rebel Pie. This guy, he'll be back there somewhere cooking up great pizzas like this. Or log on to CertifiedSCGrown.com and see what's fresh on the menu for yourself. We'll be right back here again next week with another great recipe on the Sportsman's Table.
To find out more information on food that's fresher and tastier, go online at CertifiedSCGrown.com. Buy certified South Carolina grown products. It's a matter of taste.